If CapCut search is not working for you, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that can help you get back to searching templates, effects, audio, and stickers without the frustration. This is especially useful if the search bar is missing, loading forever, or just not showing the results you expect. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's fix it step by step. First, if you're dealing with a missing template search bar on the web or desktop version, the easiest workaround is to use the mobile app instead. Open CapCut on your phone and search for the exact template you want there. Once you find it, tap the star icon to favorite that template. Then, make sure you log into the exact same CapCut account on your PC. After that, open CapCut on desktop, click the Templates tab on the left sidebar and select Favorites. That should bring up the template you saved on mobile, even if the desktop search isn't working properly. This is a great workaround when CapCut changes the browser layout or removes features in one version but not the other. Now let's move on to the next fix, because sometimes the issue isn't the search tool itself. It's a region or VPN problem. If CapCut search is behaving strangely, disconnect your VPN first. If you need to use a VPN, try switching to a different country server instead of leaving the current one on. Then close the CapCut PC app completely, not just minimize it. Make sure it fully shuts down. After that, relaunch CapCut so it can reconnect normally to the server. In many cases, search results, templates, or assets won't load correctly when the app thinks you're in a restricted region or when the VPN is interfering with the connection. So this simple reset can solve more than you'd expect. If the problem is happening with effects, audio, or stickers, the issue may be caused by a broken cache or overloaded temporary files. To fix that, go to the CapCut PC homepage and click the settings icon in the top right corner. It usually looks like a small hexagon or gear-style button. Inside the settings menu, open the Performance tab. Then look for the cache size section. You should see an option with a trash can icon that lets you delete temporary files. Click that to clear the cache, then restart CapCut after the process finishes. This can fix spinning search bars, blank results, missing content, and other weird loading issues. Cache problems are one of the most common reasons CapCut search stops responding properly, so this step is definitely worth doing. Now for another important fix, refreshing your account and network connection. Sign out of your CapCut account completely, then sign back in again. This helps refresh the connection between your app and CapCut servers. Sometimes the search feature fails simply because the session is stuck or outdated. While you're at it, also verify that your internet connection is stable and active. If your Wi-Fi is weak, switching networks or restarting your router can help as well. A poor connection can cause templates, effects, sounds, and stickers to load partially or not at all. So if CapCut search still isn't working after the first few fixes, this account refresh is the next thing I'd recommend. By the way, if you want more CapCut troubleshooting videos, editing tips, and beginner-friendly tutorials, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And if this guide solved your issue, give the video a like. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know to make more videos like this. So to quickly recap, if CapCut search isn't working, try using the mobile app as a workaround for templates, disable or change your VPN, clear the cache in CapCut settings, and refresh your account by signing out and back in. In most cases, one of these fixes will get everything working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.